Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Take out your math books, open unit number 11, money. First open page 128 and our topic is addition of money. We have different objects with different price tags. Let's see what these pictures and objects are. The first one is ice cream cone and its price is 40 rupees. The next is lollipop and the price of the lollipop is 16 rupees. The next one is chocolate and its price is 35 rupees. The next one thing is chewing gum and its price is 23 rupees. The price of the candies is 71 rupees. And the last object, that is popcorn, and its price is 52 rupees. Now we have different objects with different prices. Let's see what Hina wants to buy. Hina buys an ice cream and a lollipop. How much does she spend? Let's see how much money does Hina want to buy an ice cream and a lollipop. Okay, first tell me, what is the price of an ice cream? Yes, it's 40 rupees. And the price of the lollipop is 16. Now we'll add both the prices. Then we can find that how much money she spent. 0 plus 6, 6. And 4 plus 1, 5. It means she spent 56 rupees to buy an ice cream and a lollipop. Okay, again look at the same pictures and do exercise, work it out. On page 128, Zen bought a bubble gum and a packet of candies. How much did he spend? You have to solve it by using the above values. First tell me, what is the price of the bubble gum? Very good, its price is 23 rupees. And class 1, can you tell me what is the price of candies? Yes, 71 rupees. Okay, now to find how much Zen spent money on both these things, we add the numbers. 3 plus 1, 4, and 2 plus 7, 9. It means he spent 94 rupees. Okay, now open up page 130 of your math book. Put the date and see the exercise. Buy if you can. Do you have enough money to buy the toys shown below? Write yes if you do and no if you do not. The first one is done for you. Okay, can you tell me how much money it is? There are 2 coins of 2 rupee and 1 coin of 5 rupee, which makes 9 rupees. So, can we buy a lollipop of 9 rupees? Yes, we can. Okay, now let's see the second combination of money, that is 1 note of 50 rupee, 1 note of 20 rupee and 1 note of 10 rupee, which makes 80 rupees. So can we buy we can buy a helicopter with the 80 rupees? Yes. The third one is we have a 50 rupee note, a 10 rupee note and a 20 rupee note, which makes 80 rupees. So can we buy a teddy bear of 100 rupees with 80 rupees? No, we need one more note of 20 rupees to buy a teddy bear. Okay, the last one, we have 3 notes of 20 rupees and 3 notes of 5 rupee coins, which makes the amount 75 rupees. So can we buy a toy train with the 75 rupees? Yes. Okay, class 1, after completing these 2 pages, note down the homework. Do page 120 and 30 in your book and learn table of 6. Thank you.